if you wrap up your right poi like this, we're gonna do the left hand first. And I wanna just start with home and away, underhand, underhand. And now as you're doing it, I'll pretend I'm your mirror so that you can see what you're doing as you're doing it. So you're like this. I want you to bring your elbow down like this. Yes, yes, yes. And then initially you were way out here. I want you to try and be here when you cross. And then what you can do to have the plane be straighter and tighter on the away side is, as the hand is here, flick down and forward and accelerate it at the bottom of the turn. As you come back to your left side, remember not to lock the elbow into your side. Allow there to be a looseness between the arm and the torso. It looks like you're doing it like this, where your elbow is slightly in front of your torso, versus like this, where your elbow comes back. So the first part was home and away. Now the second part is 2 away. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna add the other hand in. So you go under, over, home. Under, over, home. Below the arm, above the arm, back home. Below, above, home. Yes. So wrap up your left one, and then we'll spin the right one, and we'll do the home and away as the starting point. So just remember to try and keep it low and tight. Okay, and now let's do 1, 2 away, and 1 home, and 1, 2 away, and 1 home, and 1, 2 away, and 1 home, 1, and 1, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 1. Beautiful. Now let's do the under, over, home, under, over, home, under, over, home. So let's start an underhand, same time, underhand. And then, have you ever jump roped backwards? So this is like jumping rope backwards. And then just like with overhand where you can cross your arms, you can cross your arms going backwards. So try it where your left arm crosses on top. Yes, just like that. And then when you cross, remember both hands swoosh down and forward, swoosh down and forward, swoosh down and forward to complete the turn on the opposing side. So you've now done the together time crossovers, and now you're doing the crossover switch where you can go left on top and right on top. Next thing we want to try is the 2-beat weave, where we cross one hand and then the other hand crosses underneath it while we're in split time. So if you go into split time on the home side, like this, and then let's try crossing your left arm first, and then your right arm underneath so that it'll look like that. Left crosses, left opens, right opens. Left crosses, right crosses, left opens, right opens. Let's do the other half of it, because you did the first half. So the second half is when you cross your right arm on top. So cross your right arm first. No, that's your left arm. Cross your right arm first. Do this first, where you grab your balls or wrap up to your balls. And then we're gonna do what the hand gestures are. So if you start with your arms crossed with your right arm on top, yes. For this one, we take the top hand, bring it home, and cross underneath and push down and forward. The top hand crosses home, comes underneath, and you push down and forward. Top hand, home, cross, down and forward. Top hand, home, cross, down and forward. And then when we did overhand, what I said to you was, imagine when you bring the hand home and you cross to either side, when the arm hits the arm, that's the cue for when the other one moves. It's the same thing for underhand. So when the top hand comes across and comes on bottom, it's like it hits the arm to cue the other arm to move in the underhand pattern. I would wrap the poi up and make them short again. And then, well, like short, but not all the way to the ball. Yes. And then cross your arms. So you have your right one on top. Now I want you to take your right one, cross it home, go underneath, and just stop it there. And now take your left one home, cross underneath. Yes. And then take your right one home and cross underneath. And your left one home, and then your right one home. And then you can try and keep spinning them as you get there. Remember, it's always down and forward, always down and forward, down and forward, down and forward, down and forward. You have to keep the bottom hand there until the top hand comes underneath it. So now if you do it long poi, it will slow down. The shorter the poi, the quicker the arc of the rotation. So if you lengthen the poi, it does help in that regard. But then you have more string to get in the way and hit yourself, so it's a trade-off.